If you've been on my channel for a while, then you know I love passive income, right? Passive income is the holy grail of financial freedom. There is nothing better than setting up a system and getting income from it while you're off handling business elsewhere or just hanging out with your friends and family. So, with that being said, this is part 2 of my 3-part series about my passive income ideas, the 30 passive income ideas. We are going to go ahead and break down 10 more ideas for you. But before we do that,
allow me to reintroduce myself.
my name is Devon. Put in word Burke, the wealth builder himself. And if you love content like this video and talking about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel and like this video. So without further ado, let's get into the topic on hand, my 30 passive income ideas, part 2. Okay, make sure you watch part 1, all right? The link is in the description. Anyway, let's get to number 1. Start a podcast. Starting a podcast is almost like starting a YouTube channel because most people record their podcast, put it on platforms like Apple Music and Spotify, then at the same time, videotape it and upload it to YouTube. So with podcasts, there are multiple ways to make money. The ad revenue, endorsements of other company products, affiliate marketing. See, podcasts are one of those things where they're kind of hard to get up and running, but once you do, you can make a good amount of money if you do it right. Right? So you might want to start a podcast. Number 2, hold stocks long term. Now, this passive income strategy is not to be confused with dividend stock investing. This is more of a buy low and sell high kind of strategy. So, you buy stock for $1 a share, and you buy 100 shares of this stock. You've invested $100, and now you wait until the price of this stock goes up to sell it. Let's say it goes up by 25%, 25 cents per share. You multiply that 25 cents by 100, and you've potentially have made $25 on your $100 investment. That's pretty much what it means. All right. Number 3, create an app. People create apps all the time and make big money off of the advertising in the app and the upgrades people make while using the app, especially if it's a gaming app of some sort. So you might want to look into that if you're, good at making apps. Number 4, rent out your car. There are multiple ways to pull this off. You can use Turo, which is my favorite way to rent out your car and make some side income. You can also do hire car, get around, Avail, and Swift. I will have a video breaking down all 5 of these sites and how to use them to build a business and not just random passive income. So be on the lookout for that. Number 5, start a laundromat. This can be passive, but it's a very detailed way of creating passive income. You're going to have to be heavily invested in the startup process for this type of business. With that being said, I do have a video where I break down this business, okay, in a more detailed way, okay, so you can get more information on it. The link is in the description. Number 6, vending machines. This passive income idea, it's not that extensive with the startup, but because all you need is one machine in a solid location, that doesn't mean it's easy though. Now, you can build on that if you want more information about starting a vending machine business. Check out the links in the description also, because I did a video on that one too. Let's not reinvent the wheel. Let's just check out the information that we got already, right? Number 7, email marketing. Now, this is one of the easiest but truly passive income ideas in my opinion. There are people making thousands of dollars a month just by consistently emailing their lists. The fact is, you need an email list to make income on a larger scale when it comes to online passive income. I use GetResponse for my email marketing, and it's great. It's actually free to get started. If you want to learn more about GetResponse, you know where the links are in the description. All right. Number 8, put ads on your car. I will only do this if you drive for a job, okay? Like Uber, Lyft, Uber Eats, DoorDash, etc., etc., etc. And I would have like one car for this specific type of thing. Now, there are 3 companies that I know of that actually pay you to advertise in your car. There are a lot of caveats when doing something like this. It can be a great additional income if you drive for a living, okay? If you don't, then I don't know if you want to do that one. Number 9, investing in crowd-funded real estate. This can be a simple process if done right. All you really have to do is sign up to sites like Diversifund, Realty Mogul, Fundrise, and many more. I have a video going in depth on top crowdfunding real estate platforms. That link is in the description also. Number 10, investing with Robo Advisor. Yep, the robots are coming. Well, they're actually here, and it seems to me they aren't going anywhere, right? So you can use them to your advantage, especially to help you make money while you chill and sleep, okay? Because robo advisors basically take your money and invest for you, okay? There is a bunch of them. There's Betterment, there's Webull, there's a lot of sites and apps that are robo advisors. Basically, they invest for you. They don't really advise nothing. They just tell you what the investments are. They give you all the the information behind it, how much you're gonna get on return of investment, and you put your money up. Some have fees to sign up, some don't. Some tell you have to invest a certain amount, like $100, $200, $300, $500, depending, what robo advisor you choose. Okay, it all depends on you. All right, so with that being said, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for being a wealth builder. That was my top 10 30 passive income ideas on part 2. I do have a part 1. Okay, yes, that link will be down below also. Go ahead, check out part 1 if you haven't already. Till next time, wealth builders, it's the man, the wealth builder himself, signing off for my 30 passive income ideas, part 2. Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more.